Hey, what's up, guys? Me Certain with my YouTube channel. Very fresh morning from my side, and today it is first rain of the winter season that we are getting today. It means today here is little bit cold. Cold suddenly increased, so I have to wear my jacket, and it is a pleasant weather here. Since morning it is raining here, not downpour, but just a shower that we enjoying from the moment. And today I feel little bit shiver due to winds blowing hard and some shower from the heaven. Although sun is not rising this time, hidden behind the clouds. But one thing that I noticed that this is unusual rare rain that is not happens before in November month, and I think there will be some benefit, especially to the farmers who is looking for some irrigation for their crops, especially like sugar cane and uh, especially sugar cane, and this time no one other crops that is sold in the field, just potato. Although if heavy rainfall, definitely it will be some loss for the farmers, but it was just a shower, so I can say that it is some benefit going to the farmers. And I am shivering a bit cold with winter this time, and I room. Here is beautiful atmosphere all around me, and this is my second floor roof, and trees all around me, so we can get a fresh air at the time of morning. Just I have taken my breakfast near about half hours before, and decided to complete my today's video. Throughout the day I have to busy, I have to go in a engagement party with the friends of mine, so maybe possible that I fail to get time to record my video. That is why I decided to finish this before time, and this is preparation going on. After half and 1 hour I have to go there, and definitely this will be new uh, enjoyment experiment taking this season when we are going to at the time of shower, some rainfall. And here is some good location from my side, some construction going on. Although it is a village, but mostly houses are pakka, using cement and concrete. And this time this is just as the name of village, but mostly houses are pakka. So in any point of view we cannot say that it is far away from the city. Although near about 15 kilometer away, the main city of the Ayodhya and Faizabad. So we can say we are remaining in touch with the cities, and people are going to be uh, high tech agriculture, because here is vegetables shop are very close to the district headquarter. So I think this time people having much amusement due to this rainfall, and beautiful atmosphere that is created all around me. And now I am going to close my today's video, almost shivering my hand due to wind, due to water. Have a good day, friends. Bye bye. Hey guys, me Certain with my YouTube channel. Hope enjoying your day, your time with your friends, with your family members. I'm back here with another DTube Mindset blog. Friends, it is very easy to give suggestion to the people, but very difficult to follow them. We can easily get so many examples all around us which motivate us, which inspire us, but we hardly take lesson from them. So today I want to share that our patience, our hard work is better, and we can get everything in our life, but we can get never from speed and power. Mostly people is familiar with the story of tortoise and rabbit. One side there was speed and power, and in other side there was
patience and hard work. At least um, patience and hard work were able to win because he believed that slow and steady win the races. He continues his work, his task honestly. At least he became successful to reach the destination. But Rabbit got defeated because he has overconfidence on his power and on his speed, so he uh, take a little bit rest on the way and mislead from his path. And in other example, I would like to share that related this blockchain. Friend, mostly people is active on this blockchain. Some of them are inactive, but when it was not hardful 22 and there was allowed to bitbot, so many people uh, using bitbot and not only increasing their reputation but also getting in trending post. But now this time almost bitbot is reduced. Now this time people who is working hard and making everyday effort to bring value in this blockchain, now he is in a satisfactory situation. And mostly people I have seen that I level up their reputation. This time I am not using bitbot, but I am believing on my hard work and having patience that I can do better. Like me, lots of people here who is continuously working hard, making 3 or 4 posts per day. So these are the people that believe slow and steady win the races, and they are continuously working here without taking rest. But people who were in haste and using their power, now this time they are useless, not useless, it is a bad word, but they are helpless. And if they post, they get very less support from the people because they do not learn to work hard. That is why this time they have no any option due to reducing the bitbot. But a person who believes that hard work is the key to success, this time able to increase their popularity, their reputation too. So I would like to request you, never go with power and speed. Believe on your hard work and diligence. This will take you in the path of success. Definitely you will feel more satisfied and have more pleasure in your life. So this is my today's DT blog. Hope like friends. Bye.